Here is a real software engineering problem that doesn't get talked about much. You push a small change, maybe it's a config update, typo fix, or just some cleanup. Then you wait. One day for a code review, another day for approval, then it just sits waiting to be deployed. All that for a change with almost zero risk. And this happens across every team. Development team, testing team, DevOps team. Meanwhile, the same team might push a risky change late on a Friday and just hope nothing breaks. If you ever dealt with that frustration, hit subscribe. I share hands-on solution for problems like this. Now, what if your pipeline could actually understand the risk behind each change? In this video, I'll show you how I built a smart CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions and a local AI model, in this case Mistral. Whenever we push a change to GitHub source code, automatically GitHub Actions pick that. I have a Python script in place which will talk to the Mistral model and try to classify the risk between low, medium, or high commit messages and deploy the application or notify the team or block the application. Let's jump into the demo. Let's talk about the project structure. AI DevOps Git is like the folder name. In this folder, we have 3 different folders. One folder is for pipelines, AI deployment.yaml, and the application folder is for source code, wherein I have a simple Flask application deployed, followed by scripts folder, where we are going to analyze commit messages. There is a README file as well. Here comes the interesting part of the video. AI deployment.yaml file. So, okay, analyze commit message with local Mistral LLM. Commit message is equal to, we are going to take the latest commit message using this command, followed by printing this commit message. Then we are going to use Python script here, analyze commit.py, and pass this commit message to this and try to take the output into this particular file, decision.txt, which will be, let's say, used in our next step. Then we are going to print the output of this file as well. This step, we'll come back here after discussing the analyze commit message script so that it will be easier to understand. So what are we doing here? So in this script, we are trying to analyze commit message, okay, with the local LLM model. So in this case, we are using Mistral model and trying to talk to the local URL, and we are passing this message. Okay, in this message, what is the content? So you are a senior DevOps engineer. Based on a commit message, classify its deployment risk as one of low, medium, or high. Provide a short explanation as well. Okay, and also we are trying to pass another line with the commit message and the message, and asking what's the risk of classification and why. Okay, as a senior DevOps engineer expert, you have to answer this. Okay, then we try to get the return here with the message. We are going to get the content, or we get the response, no, fail to analyze risk. If there is, let's say, any exceptions or any error messages, then we are going to get this particular response. Okay, now let's go back to the AI deployment.yaml file. So decide action based on risk classification. So we are using grep command here and looking for low in this particular file, which we stored, okay, which we saved. And also we have medium as well, and then high as well. So according to, the risk in the decision.txt file, we are going to get the same response. Now let's look at the demo. What I am going to do is, like, I will try to fix, let's say, try to add something here. Ollama run Mistral locally. Just for testing, I'm trying to add this. So I'm going to save this message and try to add a commit message saying updated readme file. Okay, and I will try to push this sync changes. Let's add another message. So for that, I will try to add or remove something from here in this file. So let me real quick remove this and update it to port 80. I will try to save this file and I will write a commit message. I'm going to write this message saying update login session handling. Okay, let's see what kind of output our Mistral model will give us. So I'm going to commit this and also sync these changes. Now I'm going to add another commit message. In this case, Let's try to add a comment here. Jobs, just for simplicity. I have to update something, so I'm just updating here. I'm saying jobs and then remove authentication check in user flow. Okay, this is the commit message which I'm going to provide. I'm going to say commit and then sync. Let's jump into the GitHub Actions workflow and see. So we have 3 workflows which are currently in progress and 2 are like queued. Once this is like finished, this will also start. Just for your information, we are running everything locally. Okay, this is like running on my local machine. So test VM, which I self-hosted. And if you want, I can confirm you in the YAML file as well, run on self-hosted machine. Okay, just as for your information, everything is like locally. We are controlling everything by ourselves. Let's look at the pipeline now. So pipelines are green. I'm going to start with this particular pipeline, fix typo in readme.md. So if you look at the steps, I'm going to jump into this particular step directly. So commit message fix typo in readme. The risk classification for this commit is low. Okay, and there are like more details about it. You can go through. Followed by decide action based on risk classification. So here we detected risk level as low. So proceeding with the deployment. Okay. Now let's go to the medium level commit message. Here, let's see what we have. The risk capabilities for this commit message would be considered medium to high. Okay. And it gave me some details as well while updating any part of system dealing with user authentication can potentially have a significant impact. And I would go on this step now. It says medium risk, logging and requiring manual review. Okay, this is the medium risk. Now let's look at the third commit message. Remove authentication check-in user flow. Here, if you look at the analyze commit message, here it is showing it as high. Okay, that means it should block. So it is saying high risk blocking deployment. Before we wrap up, we walk through 3 real commit messages, one low risk, one medium, and one high, and show how AI can reason about each. And we did it entirely locally, no APIs, no data leaving your machine, just your GitHub Actions pipeline and a local Mistral model making real-time decisions. Want the full source code? The full project with commit risk analysis is available for free in a private repo. Just head over to this particular website, learn with devopsengineer.behave.com and subscribe with your email. And I'll send it straight to your inbox. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such DevOps related AI tips.